The Cough Assist is a machine used to improve cough strength to aid with chest clearance. You need the machine, power cable, face mask, filter and tubing. Plug in the machine with the black cable in the back of the machine. Connect the clear tubing to the right side. Connect the filter to the tubing and the face mask to the filter. Press the power button to turn on the machine. Press the check icon when prompted. Press the stop button when ready to start a treatment cycle. The breaths in are shown by peaks on the graph, Ti. The cough is shown by the dip on graph, Te. A pause is shown as the flat line, P. The start button is pressed again after each cough assist cycle for 2 recruitment breaths to aid reinflation of lungs. The X icon is pressed to cancel further recruitment breaths. Breath in. Breath in. Breath in. Cough. Press to start the recruitment breaths. 2 recruitment breaths are shown. To turn off, press the power button. Then press the green power icon to turn off the machine.